to the early bird, gon' get the worm. Feel like I'm stuck in line, waiting my turn. All of the L's I took are lessons I learned. Success, it gotta be earned. Tell me why they sleeping on me. On me. Tell me why they sleeping on me. On me. Tell me why they sleeping on me. On me. Tell me why they sleeping on me. On me. Tell me why they. Find me in the middle of the map, right in the center. I'm a saint right now, but we all born sinners. Take a couple L's if you wanna be a winner. When I think about the beat, it's synonymous with our.
You're gonna cover your velocity stacks up, your intake ports, right here, with a nice clean microfiber or towel, whatever you got to use. And make sure it's clean. We're starting on the block off plates. We go on and finish them. It'll be easier to get to the spark plugs. What I'm saying, on a bike, you can't. It's hard to work on it with two people, unless you're doing two things in two different spots.
Yeah.
Alright guys, we're back. My man Zach here got the connection right here undone. Let me see your flashlight, Zach. My man Zach here got the connection undone right here. Can you explain how you did it?
Explain how I did it. Alright. So right here, there'd be a little doohickey. And all you gotta do is just pull it out and put it as so being it'll come right out.
I reckon that's how you do it. I'm putting the voiceover over what you just said.
Go ahead and do it.
So what he done right there was took a flathead screwdriver and pushed up on the tab in order to unlock it to be able to pull it out. The little doohickey, they're gonna like these damn rednecks, they're gonna fucking not be able to put this thing back together. Okay, now you're gonna wanna undo this clamp right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. You're gonna wanna undo that. Pull it up out of there. You can pull it more up and out to be able to get a better angle at it. Once you get it a little loose, you can use your fingers on either side to pull up. There's two tabs going either way like that lock around. Now we're gonna remove it. And come down and around. Have to come around this connection. You could undo the connection, but you don't have to. Bring that up and out. Don't need that no more. She's gone. All right. Now, we're gonna install the block-off plates. Okay, now those same screws that we just pulled out, we're going to be putting back into either side. Okay, so side does matter. There'll be a little peg on both sides, right here and right here. And then there'll be one over here as well. One on either side over here and right here. You can go down in there a little further. There we go. Yeah, on either side, right there and right there as well. And then on the block-off plates themselves, there'll be a little groove. So make sure that you're putting them on the right sides. Gosh, man, these are gonna make this look so much better. You're not gonna see it. I don't care. It looks better. That's all that matters.
Weight reduction.
Yeah, it really is. And slightly better performance.
Those 2 ounces you're saving.
Yeah. And that's a wasted part now, you know what I mean? There's no reason for me to have that on there. I've always wanted to start a channel. I just never, pulled the trigger.
I always thought it'd be cool, but what the fuck I do it up.
Guns. Do it about guns.
Man, you know how fuck YouTube and guns be?
Yeah, you know how much fun.
I can't be monetized with a 30-round mag in the video.
Okay, then don't use a 30-round mag.
I used to drink it. Fuck it. It's not 30 rounds.
Or you can't have that video monetized. Is all it would be. It would be that video, not you as a whole.
I got a lot of yards, and I got a lot of yard stuff.
Yeah.
There'll be some bullshit.
I'll tell you, we can get 4 rotos on this one. That's a bet, boy. Go down real fast. Now, last time I installed some on the R6, I forgot to do a connection. Put it all back together and she wouldn't start.
That'd be some shit.
This time I'm gonna double check my connections, make sure I done them all again before I fucking put it all the way back together. You best believe that. In just a second, yeah.
Hey, if I'm gonna switch these
Yeah.
sides.
Or here, you do this part. Oh, and you gotta walk around and tell me. Oh, I'm trying to. See if you can get a hand started.
I got it.
Little tip and trick for y'all. Okay. Use your phone holder that you normally have on a bike. Put your flashlight upside down. You can't tell me that ain't genius.
It is.
Willie Hut Jr.'s tips and tricks, baby. You know what it is.
The other motherfuckers probably thought that before you.
None of them. I just let the old internet know that that's what you do. And they're like, oh my God, this video is going to go crazy because of that one tip. And that's if this don't fix this. Hopefully it does. Hopefully whatever we do to fix it.
I almost got a 4-row towing.
Because I ain't got no check engine light or nothing, which is crazy. Crazy, man.
You know what fucking use
Exhaust leak or something. I don't know what it is. It didn't throw code, so I don't know what, you know what I mean?
It might be it.
Make sure that these are completely even all the way around.
There's it.
See what I'm saying? Put a finger at each corner, like opposite corners. Oh, I believe I can fly. People in the comments go like, you had him come over, he did all the work.
Yeah, that's how it works. What do you pay for? That's what I get paid.
Tell me you get paid? Nah. No, sir.
They had to sort of think you're making money like that.
Hell no, Bill not Bob, baby. Bill not Bob.
Yeah, it is built. It's not by you.
Whatever. My hands are just as dirty, if not more dirty.
You've been wrenching on me too longer than I have.
Yeah. A bit like that. I can't believe you have never seen one without the tank or nothing, have you? It's crazy, isn't it?
It's my first time working on a bike though.
They look crazy without a tank, don't they?
Yeah.
So what we just did, we just got this bolt and this bolt and this bolt and this bolt all put down. Only not even no ugga duggas. You just want to snug those up real good.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my